Yeah,
अच्छा.
yes, yes.
But Tamil, I think so. Kerala people they look so tall. वो जो tall रहते हैं ना, थोड़ा उन लोग tall रहते हैं. Is it?
No, no, it's not like a it's a common.
See,
People are
we
every
have
state. Some
the
people are
gender
tall,
equality,
short.
okay, amongst us, but
अच्छा.
we knows, as a Tamilian or Malayalis, they knows very well how to identify, because when I see someone, okay, from
Hmm.
the state of Kerala, I can easily identify
Hmm.
by seeing
Hmm.
them,
Their
the naked
culture,
eye. But the
dress
other
code.
state like the north or east, for them it's hard, to find them
Hmm.
the similarity. Okay, they can only notice once they started to talk by using the dialect. Okay,
Hmm.
so the similarity you can identify. No, the not similarity you can identify while they are talking other languages. For example, you
Hmm.
can easily identify the people of Kerala by talking the way and the dialect. Okay, the English. Their
Hmm.
English so similar,
Hmm. Hmm.
but it has the very big different from other like state, the Andhra and Tamil Nadu, while talking in English,
Yeah, and
because they have the same dialect. They pronounce each and every word of English with their own dialect. For example, instead of A they use the vowel O, the sound O. For
Hmm.
example, I'm
Hmm.
telling you,
Hmm.
um, order. Okay, instead of order they do use order. Okay, so
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
kind of things will make you identify them, differentiate them from other state. Okay,
Right.
yeah, it's because of the language.
Their
yeah, yes,
alphabet pronounce
just
it
because
that
of
kind of
their
O.
dialect. Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because they are tune also like that. Because uh, our English and them English is you will find different action and different sound. It's because of the language.
It's because of the language.
It's
Yes,
like
yes,
effect of your mother language term.
Right.
yeah, mother tongue. Yes, yes. It's
Yeah,
fluencing. While
English.
yes.
Hmm.
when they do,
MTI,
And
mother
one
tongue.
more thing you will find like
communicate.
Kerala people and Tamil Nadu people, there are similar. There are like a slightly different. As they are wearing a lungi, not like a
Hmm.
same.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. Usually, the people of Tamil Nadu, they do wear lungi, okay, which is stitched, okay. So
Hmm.
you can't. That's a one lungi which with like so we can I say we stitch, okay. It's not open one, but the Kerala they do use
It's not a
the
stitch. It's
lungi
open.
without stitching. Yeah, it's open. So the way they wear the lungi, which is totally different from us. So we Tamil Nadu
Yes.
people, we do wear the same style of lungi, but we call that one vesti. That is other kind of that's different type of the lungi we have to we practice, yeah, we to wear. Sometimes we do wear the style of lungi as Kerala guys wear. So there is no, you can't find that much differences when it comes to
I think
wearing lungi.
you
But
people wear lungi is a white color, right?
that is called vesti, okay. But
Okay.
lungi, it comes with a different color, okay, different color and different model.
Yes.
And that's called lungi. Do
Okay.
you see the Bangladesh? I mean West Bengal. They do use the lungi. The same lungi we do we do use, but with a different style of wear wearing. Can I say?
Hmm.
So that
Because
we do wear with a different.
I saw in movie. I saw in movies. People they wear that lungi and they मीन्स क्या करते हैं कि उनका वो जो पैर है ना उनको थोड़ा उठाते हैं लुंगी को वहाँ पे बांधते हैं उस टाइप का आई सॉ इन मूवी.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, but
You're folding like this.
you know Azmal, Junaid का language ना वेस्ट बंगाल से डिफरेंट है, because if I talk with West Bengal people, their English is different from Junaid. जुनेद को जो बात करेगा तो वही नहीं रिकॉग्नाइज कर पाएगा, आइडेंटिटी नहीं कर पाएगा, ही इज फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल, बेंगोली, राइट?
Really?
या, एम आई राइट अजमल?
What did you say? Can you repeat?
ओके,
Because
आई,
it's in Hindi. I didn't understand.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ओके 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 ओके, सॉरी सॉरी, आई थॉट इज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी, आई थॉट, ओके ओके.
No, no, no.
I got a call. I told if you talk with Junaid, then you cannot identify he's from West Bengal.
I can. It's very easy for me to identify, especially the North people and the North itself. I can easily identify between the West Bengal and others just because of their dialect. You know, their dialect so different from
किधर
other
गया रे
states.
मेरा मोबाइल?
Yes, yes, yes.
कहाँ गया?
West Bengal, because their dialect is so similar to Bangladesh.
Yeah, both are speaking Bengali language, na.
Yes.
But it's not same. It's very is a tone and sound is different. If Bangladesh Bengali and West Bengal Bangla, like is is slightly different.
Yes,
The tones and some words are there different.
yes, you're right. But from your words, I couldn't find you. I mean, it's your English, your dialect is so, I mean, difficult for me to identify. I mean, I thought, yeah, if you not reveal that you are from you are from West Bengal, then I couldn't find just because you have practiced. I think, am I right? So you
Hmm.
just practiced,
Yeah.
just practiced, yeah. Just hide your identification. So.
So it's not
You
hide like we are from Kolkata and we are like mostly Hindi speaking people.
okay. Mhm.
So we know Hindi and we speak Bengali also.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So in Kolkata, it's very common people are speaking Bengali and Hindi both.
Mm-hmm.
And if you go to the like village area or village side, there's mostly people are speaking only Bengali. They will not understand properly Hindi properly.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, you're from you stay in city, am I right?
Yeah, I mean stay in city.
Stay in city. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
So Ajmal, what you do for living? Like you are working there
Yes, I'm working. I'm working.
in Tamil Nadu?
No, in Dubai.
Oh, you are in Dubai.
Yeah.
That's great. How long you will be there?
I've been working for 4 years from now.
4 years. I'm also here in Kuwait.
Oh, great, great. So quite where? I mean, in quite where you're from?
Kuwait, here in Kuwait city.
Quite city. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Got it. So
Did you visit here before in Kuwait?
no, I didn't visit, but my relatives, so they're working there, and yeah,
Hmm.
so that's why. I have been
Okay.
to Saudi and Qatar, but never in Kuwait. Mm.
Uh,
So
yeah, I also here
what are
like
you? So what do you do for in Kuwait?
I'm working in a